Okay.
Have them when you're home.
Okay.
I am a dinosaur. Wearing Windsor.
Think of imagination.
Oh, it's ripped. This paycheck's ripped.
Okay.
You rip it.
Well, what's next now?
I am a drawer. I am. Oh, I farted. The teacher farted.
You rip.
Okay.
Listen to the teacher.
I am. Okay.
Don't laugh at school.
Okay. Yeah.
Teacher, time out.
No.
You fart.
Teacher doesn't laugh. I didn't fart.
Hurry up, Candace.
I got it.
Okay, finish your book.
Hurry up.
I am a superhero. I can fly anywhere.
Okay. Next.
Okay.
I am a colorist. I am a hexagoner. I am a drawer. And I am a river. And I am attacking. And the end.
Okay, good. The
Very
end.
good.
Oh, more.
No.
I am a reader. And I can read books. The end.
Okay.
The end. Okay.
Okay, there's one more.
There's still more.
And there's two more to go. This is
Good.
a tricky one.
Oh, there's a tricky one, huh?
Yeah, this is a tricky book.
What is it?
Whose feet are these? F-E-E. And T.
Good. Kala ko hindi na niya alam.
Okay.
Okay.
Whose feet is this?
Oh, that's for cat's foot.
No,
What?
an elephant.
Elephant.
There's an elephant in this book.
Oh.
Oh.
You love elephants, Daddy?
How many foot?
3.
Okay.
Whose feet are these?
Cow?
Horse.
Horse?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ooh. Run.
Next.
Okay. Listen to the teacher, you.
Okay.
Mommy, no iPads at school.
I'm just
Okay. Okay.
watching
What's
you.
next?
Whose feet is this?
What?
What?
A
Cannot see.
cat.
I can see.
Can
Oh,
see.
is that a cat?
Yes. You like cats, Daddy?
No.
Yes. You want to see it?
No.
It's a kitty cat. Whose feet is this?
Oh, the lizard.
No. He's got sharp claws, and he can go in the river. He's a crocodile. You want to see it? Look, Daddy. Open your eyes. See?
Oh.
You want to see the pig?
Okay.
Whose feet is this?
Dog.
No.
What?
What?
Pig.
Pig.
Oh, pig like you.
No, I'm not pig. Okay, more. There's one more.
There's one more?
Yeah, there's
I
one.